Hello kids, how are you all? Today we are going to learn the numbers, which is we will count the birds and then we will write it in the boxes. Okay, first we will write the date. What date is today? Today is 2/1/21 December 2023. Okay, count and write. This is a tree. It has different types of birds. We will count the birds and then we will write it in the boxes. Okay, let's start it. How many birds are there in this branch? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds. How many birds are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds. Then how many birds are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. How many parrots are there? There are 1, 2. 2 parrots. And this is only one bird. Okay, so these are the birds. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 birds in one tree. Okay, so this is the tree and these are the birds. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.